So, you've heard about the Dextero DHT2, the all-season tires for SUVs, CUVs, and light trucks. And you've heard some great things about the technology, how they outperform the competition, and how much customers love them. And now you're wondering, who makes Dextero? Giti Tire. Maybe you don't know GT, but you should. With 5 global R&D centers, 8 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities, including a U.S. plant in South Carolina that produces most Dextero tires. Singapore-based GT is a world leader, supplying original equipment tires to leading manufacturers and drivers worldwide. GT means world-class technology and quality, right here in the USA. So, now you know. Get to know Dextero. Available only at Walmart.